Hey y'all, today we're gonna make white chicken chili. So first things I have is my Instant Pot going because we're gonna use the Instant Pot. I have two, where are they? Frozen chicken breasts in. I cooked them for 15 minutes, so I'm going to pull them out, drain the juice, shred them up, and then start making my chili. Over here I have, I have 2 cans of white beans, white kidney beans, and then a whole can of whole corn. I have them all rinsed. I just wanted to show you guys. Look how good that looks. So good. Put cheese in it. And then we'll just, where's the chips?
You left them over there?
Let me eat them. And we're gonna put cheese, sour cream, and then just eat them with chips. So dinner is all done. Everyone ate. It was so good. I'm going to actually get this saved for tomorrow. Looks great. Ooh. It was definitely different. This is the first time we've ever had it. It was definitely different than regular chili, but we really liked it. Like I said, we put sour cream in it and some cheese, and then I put some tahini and some hot sauce, and we just ate it with chips like a dip. Excuse me. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.